Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Netflix playback error on Android. Well, let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. If you have a poor or unstable internet, it is going to be one of the most common causes. You can simply go ahead and try restarting your router or your modem and also your phone, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. However, if it still doesn't, then you might need to close the Netflix app completely and then simply go ahead and open it, which will clear temporary glitches. If that is not the case, as I already mentioned, you might need to restart your device. A simple restart can fix many playback issues. Your application might also have a pending update. You want to simply go ahead and update from your Google Play Store. If that is not the case, you might need to clear cache on Netflix. Simply go ahead and tap and hold on the application, go to app info, storage, and then clear cache. If that is not the case, and if you've set incorrect date and time, it may also cause playback errors. If you are using any VPNs, make sure those are turned off. And if that is not the case, it might just be your internet being really crap. So you might need to go ahead and lower the connection and watch it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.